and Nosco primarily is a secondary packaging company. We make cartons, labels, pharmaceutical inserts, and flexible packaging. Now we have some sub-products underneath that where we would make RFID tags and put them in a label or a carton, and we make security products that go on cartons and labels. But those are our four primary products. Pharmaceuticals has been our business since 1932. We also support natural health and then some additional consumer product goods companies.
I always like to say we're more of a production facility that produces a printed product rather than a printing company. Response time is everything. When customers come to us and they need something and they need it now. And in this facility, it's almost 100% pharma. So in many cases, these are life-saving drugs. So this isn't something that we're going to be late with getting out to our customers' hands. Sometimes they're maintenance medications or things like that, but still the same. These are things that our families are waiting for out in the marketplace. There's many things that Nosco provides that you just wouldn't see at any other production facility.
Suppliers are core to what we do here, and we really want close ties and partnerships. And really, we try to have dedicated relationships because we want to do it together with our suppliers. We really have built this business around key people like Komori. These people have really helped us meet the challenges we have in our business and become efficient and serve our customers better. Now, why do we choose Komori? First of all, the quality of the equipment is outstanding. We get great uptime, we get great print quality. If there's ever any issues, the service has been outstanding from Komori. And in addition to that, I'd say Komori has brought us innovation. Our latest machine that we have here in Pleasant Prairie has full logistics automation on both the feed and the delivery that allows us to really run nonstop production. So the Komori innovations and the ability for us to be able to produce more in less time in a high quality fashion pans out every single day.
With Komori, we've always partnered up with what's the best solution for us and how is the best way for us to employ it. So they come to the table showing us all the tools they have and what we have to do to use them, and then we come to the table with the people, the training, and the time necessary to learn it, right? We looked at a couple different presses. The RP press really checked all the boxes for us. So the automation on our new RP press kind of came twofold. So we looked pretty closely at changeover time and how that was going to benefit us. But then we also wanted to look at how do we maximize its efficiency when it's running. And this is where we really looked at the logistics. And what we really wanted to do with the investment for the Komori press, really take advantage of its changeover time and its overall efficiency, is we wanted to make sure that when it was running at its fastest possible speed. So we do staff the machine with normal amount of crewing, but by operating with the logistics, they can now focus on keeping the press running, but getting the next job ready. So if that load's changing every 6 minutes, and on average we have 20 to 30 loads per order, that person would never get out from behind that machine. From our maximum press speed, that machine every month averages about 93 to 94% of its maximum run speed. And nobody is back there trying to keep up with a machine changing loads every 6 minutes. We try and invest in whatever the latest automation is because we feel not only does the company get the benefit of that through efficiency and productivity, but as the younger workforce comes in, those are the equipment that they want to run. They don't want to run the stuff that doesn't have the automatic features, doesn't have the memory recall, doesn't have the camera control, because those are kinds of the things that attract them. And also, they understand how it helps them do their job, right? So we all have to produce, we all have to run these machines, and when you can fit these machines with the latest automation, it helps that process be a little bit more human friendly. We had a machine in one of our other facilities that had a pretty catastrophic failure. It went out of commission.
We actually called Komori, and at that point in time, lead times in the industry were pretty long. And so we told Komori our problem, and we expected Komori would say, we can get you a press in 6 months, we can get you a press in 9 months, and that was going to be a problem for our business.
Now, 2 conversations started to take place. Komori was there, they were there to support us to fix this piece of equipment for sure. But in the background, we started talking about what are the different things we can do to get this machine out of here and maybe get a new machine in.
And Komori said, hey, I think we might have a press that's coming off the line that a customer might trade and give you that press, and let us make a phone call and see if we can help you out. Within 24 hours, we heard from Komori, and they said, we'll sell you the press, and we'll ship it next week, and you'll be able to get that press in 30 days or so. Within 60 days of actually the failure, we had a press on our floor running.
So Komori's more than a valuable partner. They're an integral part of our company.
I think our brand promise really separates Nosco, right? We're committed to helping our customers save lives and make their patients healthier. And we do that with responsiveness, reliability, and quality.
As many of us have been in it a long time, like myself and many of my colleagues, we often joke that in this industry, you're either in it and you're in it forever, or you get kicked out pretty quick. And many of us that have been doing this as long as we have, you learn to love this game. And it is something that we get up every day, we come to a place we want to be, we do the things we love to do, we figure out how to do it better, we figure out how to do it faster, and we figure out how to make more money at it. And then we go home for the day. So it's not too often that we measure our day in hours, it's a little more often that we measure our day in how well did we do.